Hi everyone, welcome to the Mama Elephant 11th anniversary release. We hope that you are enjoying the release so far. The release will be available on September 15th. First up is Keep Cozy. Keep Cozy features our favorite Mama Elephant characters, the bunny, the kitty, and the dog. And these guys are all wrapped up in their warm blankets. I really love the sentiments on this one. May the simple joys of life bring you warmth, peace, and smiles. Wishing you the coziest of days and the happiest of hearts, and sending you warm wishes and cozy hugs. Here is a look at the coordinating dies for Keep Cozy. As always, we will be starting with coloring the images. I thought I would mix it up today and use some Ohuhu markers. I'll have the colors listed down below in the description box. For this lighter fur color, I used E010 and E030. For the dog, I used E110 and E220. For the greens, I used G320 and G322. I used a couple of grays, which I'll list down below, and for the reds, I used R120 and R150. So I just blended two colors together. For this, I wanted to stay on my red and green holiday colors. But you can definitely color these blankets any color you like. I just wanted to do a holiday theme, but these would be so super cute in like a fall theme with like fall colors. And then you can use, a white gel pen to make little designs and things, but I just wanted to keep it simple today. I think I forgot to say what my favorite image was. Of course, I always like the dog because I always like coloring them like my dog. But I really love the one where the two kitties are huddling together underneath one blanket. It's so, so cute. For these markers, I like to lay down the lighter color where I'm going to do shading, and then I'll put the darker color on top and then blend it out with the lighter color. So it goes light, dark, light. So I'm going to cheat a little bit, and I'm going to use a stamp from tomorrow's stamp set, which is BG, which is background, Wonders of Winter, and I wanted to play around with the snowbank. I knew I didn't want to stamp it out in black, so I'm trying this Tumbled Glass Distress Oxide ink, and my ink pad's super dry, so I'm going to have to stamp that out a couple of times. Now, this stamp set comes with a coordinating die that just cuts the top of the stamp out. So for this, I'm going to do die cutting twice. I'm going to first die cut out my card front, and then after the card front is cut out, I'll cut that card front out with a coordinating die for that snowbank shape. I wanted to add just a little bit of snowy kind of fog color, so I'm lightly ink blending the top of the snowbank with the tumbled glass distress oxide ink. Once I've cut that all out, I'll be stamping my sentiments to the card front. And I'm going to be making 2 cards today, so I'm going to use 2 of the sentiments from the stamp set. And then I'm just going to put everything together. For this one, I wanted to use 2 snowbanks. I just kind of wanted to experiment with the stamp. And then I'm going to place my critters on it. So I realized after I cut out these snowbanks, why did I put my critters on this like really cold tundra? I just really wanted to play with the stamp first, but I should have put these critters in a living room or something like that. But it was really, really hot when I was putting this card together, and I think I was just dreaming about the cold. And so I think that's how this cold tundra background came about. I like all of the little tiny stamps in this set. I like the stack of books, the pillows, and then I think there's a little coffee cup. It's so cute. It goes so well with being cozy underneath a blanket. So now that my card fronts are done, I'm going to be putting them on a card base, and I'm calling these cards done. I hope you all enjoyed the video. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you all have an awesome day. Stay safe, happy crafting, and I will see you guys tomorrow. Bye guys.